Hi guys, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 61. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 泡沫岁圣诞节会议岁比赛训练锻炼 If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 60 and also the quiz session videos again. In the first slide, we have 大概、大概、大概、改变、改变、改变。The meaning of 大概 is about, and the meaning of 改变 is change. So 大概 is about, 改变 is change. Once again, 大概 is about, and 改变 is change. Let's read together. 大概，大概，大概，改变，改变，改变。The next slide, we have 业，业，业，更，更，更。The meaning of 业 is live, and the meaning of 更 is more. So 业 is live, and 更 is more. Once again, 业 is live, 更 is more. Let's read together. 业，业，业，更，更，更。Another vocabs here. 强，强，强，弱，弱，弱。强 is strong, 弱 is weak. So 强 is strong, 弱 is weak. Once again, 强 is strong, 弱 is weak. Let's read together. 强，强，强，弱，弱，弱。And in the next slide, we have 一样，一样，一样，未来，未来，未来。一样 is same, 未来 is future. So 一样 is same, 未来 is future. Once again, 一样 is same, 未来 is future. Let's read together. 一样，一样，一样，未来，未来，未来。And that's all guys for today's lesson. Don't forget to review all of the vocabs that we have learned today. I hope to see you guys again on our next lesson.